This is Bob Iacchino from Path Trading Partners, along with Mike Arnold for a PM Path Chat covering equities. Just a quick update on a couple of things we've talked about in the past 10 days or so. Mike is going to show you what's happened on the charts in CSX, which again is a rail equipment maker. It's essentially railroads, essentially train equipment. We're also going to talk about AT&T. And then we're going to cover Freeport-McMoRan, and we're also going to cover Vulcan Materials. So let me turn it over to Mike, and he'll show you what he's seeing on the charts.
Thank you very much, Bob. All right, we have CSX, potential double top. Now it's formed a triple top based on our rules, so it is invalid, and I am taking it off the chart. I am not going to delete it because we might get a very interesting horizontal channel breakout play, which I will look to update sometime possibly next week if it looks like it's going to be setting up appropriately. AT&T on the weekly basis did not get to close below. We caught on the rotation zone. That's why we love the rotation zone, and we stress it in certain instances. Rallied up. This is still a potential trade, so we will continue to watch it. It has not formed a triple top yet. Freeport-McMoRan. Can't even say it now that Bob got me so tongue-tied. We hit our stop level, which we updated. Our stop has been lowered, where we're watching for a close above the 1623 level now. It reached down fairly close to our target, did not quite hit it. What was the low today? The low today was 1480. Our target's 1473. So we'll have to see if this gets hit next week. We now have the declining rotation zone, so that should provide resistance if we get any days rallying next week. And finally, Vulcan. This closed below the base of the double top, so this is now a triggered trade on a weekly basis. We have our stop reduction target at 112.10. We have our full target 107.75. We have our stops. The stops are, if we close above 131.66, the trade is closed out for a loss. Or if we trade intraday above 133.83, the trade is also closed out for a loss. Just wanted to clarify that for our listeners. That's all I have for you, Bob. Back to you.
Thank you, Michael. A new Money Path podcast will be up and released tomorrow. You can find it at pathtradingpartners.com. You can also type the Money Path podcast into your iTunes search bar. Please subscribe to the podcast and hit the like button and subscribe button on these videos, which encourages us to keep doing them. Visit us at pathtradingpartners.com and shoot us an email at support@pathtradingpartners.com. Cheers, everybody. Have a great weekend.